What if I tell you a small startup created by normal middle class boys is now challenging one of the biggest companies in the world? For more than 20 years, one company controlled how we search the internet, Google. But now a new AI is asking a dangerous question. Why should search give you links when it can give you answers? Can this new AI really beat Google? Or is it just another dream that will disappear? Stay with me because this story is not just about technology, it is about ambition, courage, and the future of the internet. First, we discuss the problem no one talks about. Every day, billions of people search online. You type a question, Google shows you links. You open one website, then another, then another. Sometimes you waste 20 minutes just to find one simple answer. Have you felt that? Many people did, but most people accepted it until a small team asked a simple question. What if search could think? In 2022, a small group of engineers decided to build something different. They were not famous, they were not billionaires, they were not big tech CEOs. They were engineers who believed search could be smarter. They created Perplexity AI. Their idea was simple but powerful. Instead of giving links, give direct answer, clear answers, short answers with sources. It was like talking to an intelligent assistant, no searching, but asking. The giant in the room. But there was a big problem. The internet already had a king, Google. Google controls most of the global search market. It makes billions of dollars every year. It has thousands of engineers. It has data, power, influence. So when Perplexity AI started, many people laughed. How can a small startup beat Google? It looked impossible, but history teaches us something. Big companies can become slow, and small companies can move fast. Let us understand something important. Google's business model depends on ads. When you search, you see advertisements. More clicks mean more money. But Perplexity AI focused on answers. When you ask a question, it gives a different explanation, simple language, clear sources. It feels like a conversation. For students, researchers, and curious people, this felt powerful. Instead of opening 10 tabs, you read one clear response. This was the difference. No bigger, but smarter. The power of timing. The timing was perfect. AI was becoming popular. Tools like OpenAI had already changed how people think about artificial intelligence. People were ready for AI search. Perplexity AI didn't invent AI, but it used AI in a smarter way. Sometimes success is not about being first, it is about being ready. At first, only a few people used it, mostly tech lovers, then students, then professionals. Slowly, word spread. People started saying, this feels different. Investors noticed. Money started coming in. The small startup grew from a few engineers to a growing company, from a small office to a serious challenger. Now we ask the big question, can it really beat Google? Be honest. Google is huge. Google has money. Google has users. Google can also build AI tools. So is Perplexity too late or too small? Maybe the real question is not, can it beat Google? Maybe the real question is, can it change how we use search? Because sometimes you don't need to destroy a giant, you only need to change the rules. The underdog story. People love underdog stories. A small team versus a big company. Middle class boys versus billion-dollar corporation. It feels inspiring because many of us are not giants. We are normal people with ideas. Perplexity's story is not finished. It is still being written, but its courage is already clear. They dare to question something everyone accepted. That is powerful. But there are risks. AI can make mistakes. AI can give wrong answers. Trust is important. If people do not trust AI, they will return to traditional search. Also, big companies do not stay silent. Google is already improving its AI search. Competition is becoming stronger. The battle has just started. What this means for you. Now let's us think deeper. Why does this story matter to you? Because it teaches three lessons. First, you do not need to be big to start. Second, you must solve a real problem. Third, timing matters. Perplexity AI did not try to copy Google. It tried to improve search. Small difference, big impact. The future of search. Imagine the future. You ask a question. You get a clear answer. No ads, no confusion. Just information. Will that happen? Maybe, maybe not. But one thing is clear, the internet is changing, search is changing, AI is changing everything, and Perplexity AI is starting part of the change. A few engineers had a question. They believed search could be better. They built something. They took a risk. Today the world is watching. Will they win? Will they lose? We do not know yet, but they already proved something important. Even in a world controlled by giants, new challengers can rise, and sometimes all it takes is one smart idea. So now I ask you, if you had an idea to challenge something big, would you try or would you stay silent? Because the next big change might start with something like you.